Biscuits. Welcome back. I wanted to do a day in the life at the snow, and we've come up to sled at one of the mountains. It is snowy, so snowy. It's actually pretty deep, but come along because I think it's kind of fun to get in the snow. Abraham's super excited. Abraham, you can make it! You can make it! So we'll see how much battery life we get out of the camera because it is cold and that drains batteries. But come on and come play in the winter. Whoa, I just fell through the snow. Wonderland. It's dangerous.
Come on, you're with me and Abraham.
Hop on.
Let's try to pay attention. Yeah, jump on.
Hop on, there's room. Okay guys, go for it. Ready? Whoa. Ooh, you guys did a good job. We're gonna go on our sled ride. Yes, we are. Okay, yep, gotta get on the sled. Okay, come here, come sit by my lap. Snowy feet. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, hold on. Hold on to me. But don't, you can't rip my arm off. We've been having the issue of, okay, that won't work, bud.
My hand.
Okay, ready? That did work. We made it. Hopefully I got it on video camera. I may not have. Sorry, Biscuits. The sun is coming out. I'm very snowed in. Oh no.
The video didn't happen. Come over here. Feet in the holes. Think of them like steps going up the stairs.
Yes, love. You need a little assistance with some cuddles? Oh, it's a lot of work, isn't it? Do you like going sledding?
I go back to the car to eat.
You want to go back to the car to eat? Oh man, you've given up on all existence.
Okay, you guys got to the cool spot. Come look over here, Abraham.
Oh. He has. He's given up on existence. I'm going to take this head off for a moment. He's tuckered. It is beautiful though. It's so nice to get snow. We normally would get snow at home, but it's been a really warm year this year. Oh, he's still there. Still there. Still sad. It's like, why? Why, Mom? Come here. I put the sled down so that we could cuddle. That's really fun. Getting to go on sleds and everything and play. But I think 45 minutes in, he's already tuckered. His little friends that are a little bit older are still going, but it is lovely. Let me show you the view from where I'm sitting. So I'm sitting under some trees. I'm going to show you the lovely view.
Hey, you ready to rip? So these are the handles on the side, right?
There's also that. That guy's in my view. He is. I love you. Okay, I'm gonna give him cuddles. You wanna go back? Well, we can't get back to the car, it's far away. I'm gonna try to give him some cuddles. And I don't think I can get to my milkies because I'm in a lot of snow gear, but I'll give him cuddles. So let's see. I know, love. I get tuckered too. Okay, on to more snow. Are you less sad when you find something naughty to do? Don't put snow on me. Come here, come lay down. This is a beautiful view. Isn't that beautiful? That is lovely. Don't put snow on me. He's happy now because he's crinkling snow on me. Oh, it's snowing on my face. It's just so lovely.
Well, I worry that if you're in the front and we stop.
Oh, taking moments to just breathe in that second. See snow on the leaves. Hear a little monkey grabbing onto me. Don't go down.
I'm slipping.
Careful.
Good.
Okay, you don't want to slip. You don't want to slip. That really does. It's so valuable to take those moments in life. Oh yeah. I would love to know, tell me in the comments, where do you guys go for snow? Do you, or you just never go to snow? I grew up in not a snowy climate at all. I'm trying to put his hat on. So it's super novel for me now. You okay? But your head's getting all wet, Biscuit. You see how Mommy put her hat back on? What are you eating? Are you eating good stuff? Tasty stuff? Snowy hill. Oh, are they making it? Are you making it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm leaning at the tree because it's such a pretty view. Oh, they are. Wow. Okay, I'm going to show you. It's dangerous getting uphill. It really is. Abrahamsaurus. Okay, I think it's snack break. We are going to go eat some leftover pizza. Uh-oh, don't fall down. Oh, yeah. They're all hanging back up the car. I made a pizza party Friday night pizza, so we brought up leftovers. You know, warm pizza, maybe better, but it's a hard to beat view for pizza, I must say. Okay, we got our luncheon. Now it's snowing even heavier. We're back to more sledding. But it was very fun to eat that pizza out there with the sledding. Going full hog. It's pretty fun. There I was really bad in the snow, waiting for us to turn on the sled. Those little buddies just went down first. Oh, they're bringing them back up. But yeah, if you ever have the chance to just eat leftover pizza while the snow sprinkles upon you, full of alpine trees, you end up looking something like this. Happiness. I love getting to share these things with him and show him, you know, maybe a broader, bigger world than I was shown as a child. It's really powerful. Uh-oh, people are sliding. How's that ball rolling going for you? Nice ball you got there? It's important. You got up a good snowball. Are you going to throw that at one of them? Because that would be pretty epic. Do we need to say yeah? Okay, let's go. Hey, I hope you all had a great time following along, enjoying this, and kind of getting your Winter Wonderland fix while you come sledding with us. I had a great time. I'd never been sledding before, so it was really fun to just try it out, see how it is. Until next time, hey, go check the link in the description box because it's cold and snowy out. You should get one of my fabulous romance books and enjoy yourself. Until next time, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I will see you all over my Instagram. Until the next video.